Hello, my name is Kenny Solorio, and I built the Hand Talk app. This app uses user input for video and text to live interpret and translate American Sign Language and Native American Sign Language in real time. The idea is for a hearing person and for a non-hearing person to be able to communicate with each other, either through speech, text, or through hand gestures. And hopefully in the future it would be a plugin for Zoom and other apps. So this is the home screen. You'll see that the start session button is right in the middle, and below it just keeps track of the stats, right? So right now we have 50 ASL signs that are registered in the library and 10 Native American signs in the library. If you go to the library itself, you'll see the signs. The images are not working. These images are the ones that would come to, that would pop up when you translate. But unfortunately, that's just something I will need to fix afterwards. I believe the link is being blocked. And same thing for the North American Sign Language, which is right here. So this one in particular is meant to be a growing library that gets to be contributed to by certain communities with their consent, of course, just because we want to respect every community's right in how their language is shared and used. So going back to the home, I'll show you the start session now. This is a privacy and consent pop-up that I think is really important. I know the use of AI, machine learning, video recording is all very important, and people are hyper aware of that. I respect that, and I'm of the same crowd. So this is giving that notice to the user, and letting them know that the video data is not going to be sent to any servers, right? And none of this is going to be recorded at the time, right? For any reason other than improving the app, right? So I want to take note of that. Here, you're able to choose your role. There's the signer role and the hearing participant role. So in each of those roles, you can also select the ASL or the NASL, and yeah. So I'll start off with the translate to ASL from the hearing participant. So ideally, this would either be audio, right? But since I don't have a capability at the moment, we're using text. So ideally, the user who's able to speak would text, right? Something. And then the images of the sign words would show up on the signer's end, right? So they would be able to see the hello sign and the name sign and any other word that doesn't have a sign or we don't have it in our library. It would be directly translated through fingerspelling, right? Yeah, and so for the signer themselves, they would use the video, right? And in the video, it's actually not working. Excuse me. Right there. As you can tell, the machine learning, the processing is not working. So even though I'm trying to say hello or I'm trying to say thank you, it's not capturing it. So that would be something that I would need to fix. But the idea is that whatever I am using or saying through sign gestures would show up through text below me right here where the B is, and the accuracy of what I am saying showing up as well, so that the other user who doesn't know sign language can understand how accurate the user whose sign is being translated, right? And also the idea would be for it to track your facial and your body language, because in particular, in both NASL and ASL, the those things are very important in when communicating something, right? The emotion, the energy, the certain, just rhythm of it. I'm gonna get out of here just because it's glitching. Hope it's not coming out in the video recording, but yeah, that's my app. I really do hope to get it working soon, but it's gonna take a while. But I hope you enjoyed it, and definitely open to collaborations or anything in the future. So thank you once again, and see you next time.